Chelsea host Galatasaray in the second leg of the last 16 in the Champions League Tuesday. The focus will be on Didier Drogba as he makes a return to the bridge for the first time since leaving in 2012. The 36-year-old striker ended a glittering 8-year career with the London club by scoring the winning penalty in the 2012 Champions League shootout victory over Bayern Munich in the final of the Allianz Arena. Drogba was once voted the best player in Chelsea's history, and he said he did not know how he would react if he scored a goal on Tuesday. The Ivorian admitted he will have to fight hard to control his emotions. The first leg ended 1-1 in Istanbul. The other match of the night will feature Real Madrid against German side Schalke.
I belong to Galatasaray, and I need to be professional. And of course there will be emotions, of course. Like the first leg, I have nothing to prove to this club. Everything I had to prove, I think I did it with Chelsea. And no, I come here with another team, and I just want to win the game. I just want to qualify, and there's nothing personal against Chelsea. Never, there will never be.